Today we're being productive and taking advantage of our office space by adding a 32-inch writing desk. It arrives ready to provide a dedicated area to get some writing done, finish homework, and everything in between. I started off by installing the steel leg pieces together with an included Allen wrench. Then I incorporated the top steel bar, the two brackets on the back, and then fastened it onto the bottom of the desk. And that's pretty much it when it comes to the installation process. It was really easy and comes with all the tools you'll need to get it put together in no time. Next, I found the perfect place to keep the desk and added my laptop, a small lamp, and an extra notepad. I've been using it to write short stories and most of my scripts, but it also comes in handy to use for unboxing clips and product shots. In fact, I've been using this desk in my unboxing videos for the past 7 months. I like it a lot, and it's made it into pretty much all of my videos. This desk is sturdy and can support plenty of weight, and it's thin enough that you can use desk-mounted items like a desk lamp or monitor arms. I even love how the colors from the backdrop reflect on the surface. The only downside is that I accidentally scratched it up a bit, but I've filmed about 41 videos on it so far, so it's already gotten a lot of love. It also offers plenty of legroom and is a perfect option if you have limited space to work with, as it's only 32 by 16 inches. So if you want your own private area to get some much needed work done, this writing desk might have you saying, "Dude, that's awesome." Till next time, I've got a couple scripts to finish. Later.